happy people? I'm back with another video, and welcome to day 6 of my 12 Days of Swatchmas series. In this series, I am swatching out all of the gel polishes and acrylics from different brands that I have within my collection. I hope you all are enjoying it so far. Today, I'm going to be reviewing some new gel polishes that I just got in from MelodySusie. So shout out to MelodySusie for sending these over for review. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned to day 6 of my 12 Days of Swatchmas. So they did send me over their new plant-based gel base and top coat, along with some sweet scented plant-based gel nail polish. So first, let's hop into the base and top coat here. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so these are their new bottles that they have. I've been seeing a few people review these. These bottles kind of look like golf balls, if I'm being honest. These bottles kind of look like golf balls, actually. But the cool thing about them is that, okay, so one, they are, let me see, 16.5 ml. And the cool thing about them is that they have this like little slant, so you can tilt it to the side. You see, you can tilt it to the side so that it leans forward whenever you're getting your polish out of the bottle, which can be pretty helpful, especially if you're like starting to run low on product. But this here is the base coat. The lighter orange and the darker orange is the top coat. So let's just take a quick look at how both the base and top look. Okay. It is a medium viscosity for the base coat, which you all know I like thicker viscosities with gel polishes because I feel like it gives you more control over the product. And for the top coat, wow, the top coat's even thicker. That's awesome. And then I also love that it has like that rounded brush as well that helps get into the cuticle area really nicely. So that's pretty cool. So this is the base and top coat. Next here is this holiday set, and it is their new plant-based sweet scented gel polish scent. I think the packaging is really cute. As you all can see, it's nice and festive, just in time for the holiday season. And on the back doesn't have anything here, so it does slide out. So let's take a closer look at these. Okay, alrighty. Okay, so that was just like a wrap as well. So this is what the box looks like outside of that wrap. Pretty cool, very nice packaging. Okay, so it does say that it's nature's perfume at your fingertips. It's plant-based formula, so it has soybean oil, resin-based, and 100% biosourced polymer. Is hypoallergenic certified, 21 toxin-free, carbon-conscious chemistry, mineral-derived pigments, and nano milling technology. So self-leveling viscosity for salon-perfect application. So it looks like they're being really conscious about the polishes that they're coming out with now these days. It says a naturally sweet scent, so it gives some more information about that. The 3 F's, so it's HEMA-free, HPMA-free, and TPO-free. 21 toxins, no heavy metals in here. Healthy care, is plant-based, and it's organic biosourced gel. Natural minimal pigment, lasts up to 28 days. It says our plant-based formula is made with cleaner and healthier ingredients, but not 100% allergy proof. Skin sensitivities vary by person. If you experience stinging, redness, itching, stop use immediately and consult a physician. And this here tells you how to use it. So go through and read that for sure. And then they have this as well. Here's something really important every nail artist should know. Okay, and it gives you a little barcode to scan for more tips. I'm actually probably going to just use this as a bookmark because I actually have been looking for a bookmark to use. So this is what it says. It says, join us, your beauty deserves the best care. Naturally sweet, MelodySusie, care more plus. I'll just flip this over here to get everything out. Okay. Alright, so that is all of the polishes here. And it comes with a lanyard also. That's different. Not really sure what I'm going to use this for. Probably going to give it to my daughter. Maybe she can attach her little teddy bears to her backpack, but that's included. Okay. All right, so it does come with 6 different polishes, and the design of the bottle was very similar to the base and top coat. Again, it's 16.5 ml, so these are larger bottles. Zoom in a little bit. These are larger bottles, and it does have that tilting feature, which I think is pretty cool. So let's take a closer look at each of these polishes. First color here is B2060. Very pretty. It's a nice gold glitter color. The formula is very thick, and it said it was sweet, so let's give it a sniff. I can't say it really smells sweet. No, not really. I mean, like, you know, when I think of a sweet polish, I think of something like a Nail Reserve, or some of the Madame Glam polishes also have a sweet scent to it. It doesn't smell sweet like that. It just smells like a regular gel polish, just not as strong. It doesn't smell like as chemically strong. So that's the first one. Next one we have here is B2080. Ooh. That's a really pretty, like, champagne-ish silverish glitter. That's really pretty. B2305. Ooh. That's a really nice deep green color. Very, very pretty. B2306. Ooh. This is a really deep green that has some really beautiful fine glitters in there. I'm excited for this color. That looks really pretty. B2806. Ah, look at that. That is a really beautiful, nice, bold red. It's kind of giving scarlet red. Really, really perfect for the holiday. And then last but not least, we have B2809. Oh yeah, and it's a really beautiful, gorgeous red, like a ruby red glitter. All right, y'all, let's get the swatching. So I am going to test out the base coat first. I'm just really curious to see how it applies and if it yellows or not. Not that it really matters. Base coat, you normally put something over it anyway. Now I will say the base coat, I feel like it's sweeter. It has a sweeter smell than the polishes do. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cure. This is what the base coat looks like cured. It definitely looks like it's crystal clear. It doesn't look like it yellowed or anything like that, so that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the first color here, B2060. Wow. Yeah, very pretty. Very, very pigmented. That is a gorgeous glitter. Yeah, that's really nice. B2080. It's a really nice thick formula. I like it a lot. I feel like it is easy to work with. And it does self-level beautifully. I love this color. Yeah, this is a nice formula. B2305. Look at that. Super pigmented. Wow. I'm impressed. There's one coat coverage for sure. Oh, that's beautiful. B2306. Ooh. That is a beautiful green. Yeah, you really only need one coat of coverage, to be honest. That's so cute. B2806. Look at that. Gorgeous red. That's an absolutely beautiful red. Love it. And last but not least, we have B2809. beautiful. That's really pretty. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Okay, so I did go in with 2 coats of this gold color, and I do want to see what the top coat looks like when it's applied. Let's see. Oh yeah, top coat super smooth. Glides on like butter. The top coat has more of a chemical smell than the base coat does, but nice application nonetheless. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply 2 coats and top coat to the rest of the polishes, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so this is what these colors are looking like swatched off. This is a really beautiful collection. It's definitely giving Christmas time vibes. So let's take a closer look at each one. First color we have here is B2060. It's a really beautiful, gorgeous, just an everyday good gold glitter. B2080, which is a really beautiful kind of champagne-y, kind of a champagne-y, silverish, kind of goldish color. It's like a champagne color that has really light silver glitters in it, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's given pearlescent vibes as well. Next we have B2305, which is a really beautiful deep green color. B2306, which is just really gorgeous deep forest kind of green that has these really beautiful emerald green glitters in it. B2806, which is an absolutely gorgeous scarlet red color. This is like a perfect Christmas color. Absolutely love this, like red apple. Then last but not least is B2809, which is a really beautiful kind of a deep red, like a burgundy-ish glitter color. So yeah, kudos to MelodySusie for this collection. I think that it's a really nice collection. The formula of these gel polishes are really nice. They're thick. They self-level beautifully, and they're very pigmented. They all cured very nicely as well. I think I actually really like these polishes out of all the polishes that I've tried from MelodySusie. The ones they have in the silver bottles, I do feel like those are heavily pigmented and don't cure as well. These cured beautifully, and I love the fact that they're trying to be more conscious about chemicals that they're putting in their polishes and making sure that they keep them to a very minimum. I love that it's a very clean formula, that is plant-based, but that is still very high performing. Very good quality polishes overall. So yeah, special thanks to MelodySusie for sending these products over for review. I love them. And I do have a discount code with MelodySusie. I am going to leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below in case you all want to shop their website and save a little bit of coin. Their products are also available on Amazon. So if you all want to check them out, like I said, I'll leave everything linked down in the description box below. And then also too, I love the shape of these bottles. Like I said, a lot of times when your gel polishes tend to run low, you need ways to tilt the bottle, which is like part of the reason why I have one of these. It helps to like tilt the bottle, but this has like a built-in tilt thingy, so I think that's kind of nice, like a little kickstand. But yeah, I hope you all are enjoying the 12 Days of Swatchmas series so far. Like I said, this is day 6. Come back tomorrow for day 7. I'm going to be swatching out some more polishes from Amazon. And yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below. And I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye!